All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? Well, we'll get right to it. Let's talk about chipping hammers. This one's from Harbor Freight. Let me show you the ad. Okay, now with this one, what are the complaints? Well, one of the complaints are the metal's soft, so when you chip on it, in any length of time, it dulls out fast, the tip on it, and it becomes dull, and people criticize it. Well, it's not a big deal to go over to the grinder and put a more sharp tip on this and just keep using it. You can do it in a matter of minutes. But if you're an intermittent user, this is a good hammer to have, and I've got one like I'm showing you right here. Now the other one that I have, I just ordered another one. It's been easily 5-6 years because I do quite a bit of welding, from time to time. This is my Lincoln one. What's the difference between the two? This is made out of forged steel. And this is harder, a lot harder, and this tip is not going to dull on you as fast. But you can see I've really put this one through the ringer. I've ruined the handle on it to some degree, but it still works. And I've ground the daylights out of the tip on this, so I can always grind these, even the back side of this. You can see the grind marks where I've ground this down to make both the back of this sharper and the tip of this sharper. And this is what works for me. Now the Lincoln one is much better, and I'm going to show you the advertisement on this one right now. Okay, so which one would you choose? Well, that depends on what you're doing. I mean, if you're just a now and then user with a 20% discount for about $4.70 something, you can get the Harbor Freight ones. Pay a little bit more money, you can get one that'll last you a lot longer. That's the Lincoln one. I've got a link to the description below. I mean, you can click on it and go over, take a look at the one on Amazon. I think they run about $8. And this will be a much better hammer all the way around. Let me show you what else I use the Harbor Freight ones for that a lot of people might not think about, but it comes in really handy. Okay, so what I'm showing you here is a barbecue I built a long time back, and you can see where I'm using those Harbor Freight handles to create different things. So it can be used for more than just a chipping hammer. Let me zoom in. Okay, so you can see here on top, I'll show you how I used it. And they don't get hot or anything like that, and they work really good. So I have handles up top. I've got them below. And I've got them for a handle for opening and filling the back of it with wood, coal, or whatever I want to do. So it comes in handy to use as handles. You don't have to just use them on a barbecue. You can use the handles pretty much on anything that you can think of. Okay, so now you've seen how I use both these hammers. It's up to you. I mean, depending on your usage and your frequency, both of them serve a purpose. Love these for making handles and doing other projects where I need a handle for something, because this is kind of decorative. I'm not going to make it for the $4.70 when it's a lot easier just to take it, cut it, and weld it onto whatever project I'm doing. But this is a damn good hammer from Lincoln. Like I said, the links are in the description below, made out of a much stronger steel. I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. If you know of something better, drop it in the link below. Otherwise, hey, I'll see you on the next video, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.